Noble Ridge. Upscale country living right here in Rockwood. And we have a beautiful custom built Charleston bungalow just for you. Noble Ridge is a community for the pickiest of buyers. Lush green grass, mature trees, fantastic garden beds, and of course, it is a quiet community. We're located right up top on Rockwood Ridge, surrounded by Charleston-built detached and townhomes, and access to one of the best trail systems in all of Rockwood. So if you're looking to downsize and you're looking to have your bedroom, washroom, kitchen, laundry, all on one floor, 14 Chestnut is definitely the place for you. Let's go check it out. 14 Chestnut is one of those bungalows that you can't help but be impressed as soon as you pull up to the driveway. 2-car parking in the driveway, double-car garage, which means 4-car parking. The front features beautiful reclaimed brick with soft red and orange tones, complemented by 2 gables in the roof line, 1 with the country shutters, 2 with vertical siding. It looks absolutely fantastic. And as you pull up to the front door, you'll notice the front porch has been recently resurfaced. It's the perfect place for your morning coffee. Now let's head inside. It's all about the little things with these Charleston bungalows. 9-foot ceilings, oversized door with transom above. You love that natural light coming in. The front foyer, it's massive. Big enough so you can actually sit down, take off your shoes, followed by a double closet for all your guest coat storage. And as we come down the hall, we've got the 2-piece washroom tucked away, followed by their stairs heading down to the basement. This front foyer is fantastic. It blocks from the weather, it gives people privacy. It's almost like a fully separate wing of the house. And then bang, you're into the main living area of this house, and it's absolutely fantastic. Massive oversized dining room complemented with a massive oversized kitchen. Beautiful living room and the master bedroom to the back of the house. Now let's focus on this kitchen. What did I say before? It's all about the little things. This 4x6 beautiful black granite with these white tones running all the way through it. Extended cabinets running right up to the ceiling with that beautiful crown molding. Built-in microwave, tons of uppers and lower cabinets, so you're not gonna have any storage problems. Undermount sink, all stainless steel appliances, and this beautiful range hood running right up to the ceiling. It's about the little things. I love these cream color cabinets with this double step shaker, complemented with this dark, rich brown island and the stone backsplash. It looks absolutely fantastic. And behind that is the laundry. Beautiful folding table, separate sink, uppers for storage, beer fridge, and direct access to your garage. You guys have seen enough of my videos to know I never shoot in the garage, but look how fantastic this garage looks. The living room might as well be right out of a magazine. This massive window pouring tons of natural light, built-ins on the back wall, and this beautiful soft stone fireplace. It is Rockwood, by the way, and it complements this house and this community perfectly. And then you have the master bedroom. It's huge, with 2 double side windows, a full walk-in closet, and this 5-piece bathroom that I can't say enough about. Standalone soaker tub, double vanity quartz countertops, full enclosed, oversized glassed-in shower. I want to jump in here right now. And of course you'll notice tons of storage on the back wall and tons of lower cabinetry. With the living room at the front with gas fireplace, we have the rec room at the back. This is the perfect area for TV room, office, even your own gym. You guys can see right behind me, we've got sliding doors heading out right to that back patio. And then the backyard, where you're gonna be equally as impressed. You step out here and you have yet another entertainment space. This whole yard is fully landscaped with walkway going right down the side of the house, interlocking patio stone, privacy fencing. I love the garden feature with flagstone walkway. And of course, the cedar hedge that's right behind me gives you tons of privacy. This is a space that I know you're going to enjoy.